Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Sky Children of Light application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your App Store and search for Sky, and you will be able to see the Sky Children of Light application from that game company. Go ahead and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app, and within a few minutes, you will be able to download the application for your iPhone. The application is an open-world social adventure game developed and published by that game company. It is designed to be a social experience, and players can work together to solve puzzles, explore the world, and make friends. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone, and you will be able to launch open the application whenever you want. So that's how easy it is to download Sky application for your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.